Ever wondered what happens when you stop taking Immunocal? Well, let's dive into it. First off, Immunocal boosts your glutathione levels. Glutathione, or GSH, is a powerful antioxidant. When you quit Immunocal, your GSH levels will gradually return to their baseline. If your diet lacks cysteine or if you're aging, this baseline might be lower than when you were supplementing. Next up, oxidative stress. GSH helps neutralize free radicals. Lower GSH means your body's defenses against oxidative stress weaken. This can lead to aging symptoms, reduced immune function, and even an increased risk of diseases. Muscle performance might also take a hit. Immunocal has been shown to enhance muscular performance by fighting oxidative stress and fatigue. So stopping it might mean a decline in peak power and work capacity. If you've experienced relief from conditions like eczema, fibromyalgia, or allergies while on Immunocal, be aware that these symptoms might return. One user even reported complete healing of eczema after 7 months on Immunocal, so quitting could mean a recurrence of skin issues. But here's some good news. There are no withdrawal symptoms. Immunocal is a dietary supplement, not a drug. Your body will simply revert to its natural state of GSH production. One more thing, there's potential for increased inflammation. Immunocal has been shown to limit inflammation in the brain. Without it, you might notice an increase in inflammation, especially if you're exposed to triggers. Lastly, energy and stamina. Many users report increased energy and stamina due to the antioxidant effects of GSH. Stopping might lead to a noticeable dip in these areas, especially if your diet doesn't make up for the loss of cysteine. In summary, quitting Immunocal will gradually lower your GSH levels, increasing oxidative stress and possibly bringing back symptoms of conditions it helped alleviate. But remember, there are no withdrawal effects, and your body will adapt back to its natural GSH production. As we've explored the effects of stopping Immunocal supplementation, it's important to remember that everyone's body is unique. While the general trends we've discussed apply to most people, individual experiences may vary. When considering whether to continue or stop taking Immunocal, the decision is a deeply personal one that requires thoughtful reflection. At Immunotech, we recognize that health is our most valuable asset. This is why Immunotech's mission is more than just selling products. It's about empowering people to live their best life. If you're looking for more personalized information or have specific questions about Immunocal and how it might fit into your wellness routine, don't hesitate to reach out to your Immunotech consultant. They introduced you to this product and can provide valuable insights tailored to your individual needs and goals.